So when you have ordered the unit and it's time to get it out there to you, I wanted to go over a couple of different options that we usually do. The first being LTL freight. We'll crate it here in our shop and put it on an Old Dominion truck headed your way. That generally costs about $800, plus or minus 100, depending on what the freight quote is. Then there's the option of the delivery, assembly, and onboarding support. That generally costs about $1,500. That's also plus or minus just a little bit depending on how many miles we have to go. And in that situation, what we will do is we will deliver it to your facility. We will assemble the unit there ourselves. That gives us also a chance to show your guys how it's adjusted, do a little bit of, have a few conversations about how to use the product, that kind of stuff. Sometimes if everything goes together, we'll even weld at that time too, just a little bit. Now on the welding front, I'll just have to be completely honest. I am a machinist. I'm not a welder. And so that's the power of our system, is that a guy who isn't even a welder can actually show you, how to use it at times. And so we'll lean on your welders, and it'll be a good time of just showing them how to get it up off the ground, and usually they take it from there really fast.